Peeps, welcome back to another vlog. So today we're just gonna do a couple things to the car. Nothing really crazy. I did happen to find this a couple days ago. Haven't drove the car since, so yeah, I usually check my tires, see if everything's okay, and we found a nail right there. So yeah, I don't know when did this happen, but it happens. So I'm gonna go get it plugged. Since it's not on the sidewell, it's just in the inside and it looks all right. I haven't get any weird pressure sensor lately, so I'm gonna get that fixed. I think it's just that wheel. I checked the other ones, I didn't see it, but hopefully it's just that single wheel. We get taken care of, then run some errand. I have ordered these hell horns. I think it's called hell horns or hella horns or something like that. So to replace the OEM ones, it's supposed to come today. If it does come on time, we're going to install it today. You probably see it on the title if we do install today. But yeah, let's take care of that. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this myself, so I'm gonna have to go buy a Dremel. I don't know if I'm doing it on this video or the next, but that's gonna be done. Like I said, we got the car show coming up. So I want this car to be really good. I don't want to drill into the bumper before the car show and mess it up. So we're going to leave it to probably after the car show. But the hell horn I'm going to install. Also, what do you guys think? I've been looking into this. So I got this chrome looking grill edging, I guess that's what you call it, around the front. I do like it, you know, because I don't mind a little bit of chrome, but we are going for like a darker color look. So should I get that black? Because I do see it on sale. It's not that expensive. It just replaced this with a black cover instead of using this chrome one. I'm still replacing this to get rid of the Mitsubishi symbol, so it'd just be a bar across like this. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know, guys. Should I replace that chrome piece with a black piece or just wrap it black or something like that? The fog lights are still all right. I don't know about doing a fog light delete. I kind of like the look of it, so we'll see. Yeah, so yeah, let's go get that taken care of. I'm just gonna head to the show here so they could plug it and then run some errands, and call it, and hopefully the hell horn comes and get it installed. But cold start. Actually, it's gonna be like 70 today, but right now it's cold. But look at this. Ooh, still in love with this steering wheel. Can't get over it. Can't believe we actually bought a steering wheel. So yeah, it's nice. Very nice. Very nice. Just waited for it to warm up and then we'll head out of here. Alright peeps, so I went to the Shell gas station. They can't plug the tire because the nail is actually closer to the wheel well than I thought. But yeah, so probably have to order new tires. It's probably gonna run me about 200 something, but it is what it is. It's better safe than sorry. I know the tire is not leaking. I mean, I mean, if I really wanted to, I could just go buy the plug kit at AutoZone and do it myself, but I don't know. I think it's better safe than anything. If I put a new tire on there, I'm gonna take that tire off, and if I could plug that tire, you know, then I'll probably reuse it, but I don't know yet. The tread life's still pretty good, but it's best we go get some new tires. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And now, what are we gonna do? Yeah, we're gonna wait for the hell horn to come and hopefully get to install today. All right, peeps, so I just got this packet from Map Performance. I'm gonna look inside and see what we actually need to install these horns, but I really want to get this piece of vinyl fixed before we work on a horn. So all depends on how easy that is and how easy this is. We could get it done today. Yeah. Oh, there's a box inside a box. So I went with the red ones. I don't know, because my interiors are red, you know, red accents. So plus I didn't want to go black, because if you go black you wouldn't even be seeing it. You could technically see it with this you know, color vinyl wrap, but I like red a lot better. So let's see what they have in here. Comes with whatever that is. I guess is a fuse. One horn. There's no wires. Two horns in here. And that's pretty much all it came with in this box. What the hell? What are you supposed to do with these? That's it in a bag. I think I have to go get some wires, because I know this they got the, oh no, actually I don't, because we do have two horns inside the car. I might need wires to extend it, because one is located by the lower intercooler pipe and one's located up top by the on top of the intercooler. So yeah, so I probably need wires. Maybe they have maybe the wire is long enough. I'm not sure yet, but we're gonna get wires just in case I rip the bumper off, and then now I need wires. I'm gonna check through my old boxes. I think I might have extra wires laying around. Not sure yet. And I'm gonna figure out what this fuse is about. Yeah, I don't know what this fuse is about. I'll have to look at it. It's my first time installing this, guys, so just bear with me. Let me go get some wires first, but let me do this first, and then I'll work on the wires. So I'll show you guys. Let's do a before and after. Alright, so this is a before. It's really not bad. It's just really one piece across. I think I have to redo this piece up top as well, but we'll see. But yeah, this ripped off. Yep. So here you go. What? Look at it before. It's ripped up a little bit over there as well. Then we'll see it after. All right. So this is what I did so far. I pulled these vinyl off. There's 3 pieces total. And I put this Scotch tape here. So when I run the blade, there's a surface here that I could, you know, press against, so the blade could stay straight. Yeah. So if you put the blade here, you hit this side and you just push this way, so it give me the straightest line I can get instead of freehanding it. All right, so I'm gonna cut a piece to go right here like I did before. I won't be able to do this in one piece. Other people will. I think they'll probably heat it here and then stretch it here, but I'm just gonna, you know, do it in 3 pieces, so which is not bad. It goes down here, and then yeah, one piece go this way, one piece go that way, and then another piece go that way. Then we call it a day. This is gonna be the most important part right here. I'm gonna try to not get any air bubble on this side, and we should be fine. There it is. That's the first piece, and like I said, I just use this as a guideline, and now you just get it off. Right. Once you peel it off, make sure you tap these line down again. But as you can see, it's pretty much a straight line, as straight as you can get it. Well, at least for me. So yeah. So it looks like one piece. I mean, you can tell there's one here, but yeah, it's not bad. I think it turned out good. Just have to do this 2 small pieces. And all right, peeps, so I got this side done and the other side as well. So here we go. It's not too clean of a cut, but it would do. You close the trunk, you definitely won't be seeing any white. So there it is. This side is fixed, so there's no hole no more. So yeah, I think that's a good job. Let me try to figure out these horns, but we probably have to go to AutoZone first. All right, peeps, made it back from AutoZone. Got a couple wires I need, fuse, stuff for the ground. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bumper off, and then yeah, figure out what we're gonna do. Alright, so I got the bumper off. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. It only literally took me like 10 minutes. It used to take me an hour. Alright, so these are the old horns. 10 millimeter bolt here for that one. And then we got one more down here. Let me locate it real quick. Right here. So there's another one right here. So I have to take it out, pretty much move the wire. I'm gonna reuse this bracket in order to put it here. Put one here and one on that side. I've seen another YouTube channel that did. I'll link him down below. He put it here and he bent it and put it mounted on. So looks fairly simple. So what I'm gonna do now is take it and then try to bend the bracket and then put the horns on for you guys. All right. Yeah, let's get at it. Okay, I lied. It's not a 10. It's a 12. And just to show you guys what's on the stock horn itself. So this is a 12 millimeter to take it off of this bracket, and it has another little washer behind this, which is a 10 millimeter to get this part out. It comes with the washer and the ring. So yep, I'll try to put it on and guess on the side here, and I'll slide over here and then bend it a little bit and see how it looks. All right peeps, so I got the bracket on. Let me update you on what happened before I start closing this out. All right, so for this screw that was previously used on the old one, bolt, I put it in. Also, I had to add one of these washers, which you can get at Lowe's. I bought this before, so once it's hex nut. I bought it before, so it's the M8 1.25. Used it. Good thing we had it in hand, so we put it behind there. So in order it to hold this side, as well as on this side, so you need two of those. The little nut and washer for the old one, which was connected to here. I used it right there, and also had to find me two new 10 millimeter bolt to put it in here. So that's how we connected it. I flipped this. I had to flip this thing because it was facing this direction out towards here, so I had to flip it, unbolt that center part, which is the 13, to get this part over this side in order to connect that. And this is also connected as well. I had to take it out from its spot right there and pull this up here. So this was originally connected here, so I had to pull it up in order to connect the screw, the wire. Now I'm going to do the ground. Probably going to connect these two into one, and then connect it into the ground in one of these bolts, probably the center one or this one right here, and test if it works. But yeah, you have to do some modification. This is the old bracket, so you have to bend it a 90-degree angle. I put this underneath this thing right here. I don't know what this is called, but yeah, that's how it looks like. Kind of a mess, but that's how the horn looks like. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit to get it even, but as far as it, it's not too bad looking. We'll have to see once the bumper's on, see how it looks, but it should be in between those two vents. I was told that this thing was supposed to be in the way. In the other video I told this thing was in the way a little bit, so we might have to cut it a little bit here, but we'll see. We'll see, because it'll kind of look weird, so probably have to cut a little bit right here. All right, so we'll see on that. Let's put the ground on and see if it works. All right, before I rip it off, I want to show you what I bought at AutoZone. Bought these primary wiring 14 gauge. I didn't have this thing, so I bought this. You don't have to. Some female ends, 14, 16 gauge, and this as well for the ground. So this is sorted, has a bunch of different kinds. So the blue one right there, I think, is the 14 gauge one, but we'll see if it fits. And yeah, just cut. Let me see how many wires. Two wires into one, which is three. Oh yeah, two wires into one. And yeah, let's see. All right, peeps. So this is how it looks. This right here, I call it a V, whatever it is. is going to go towards the ground. These other side is going to plug into one to each of the horns, and yeah, it sure works after that. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna zip tie some of these wires to make it a little neater, but that's it. Just one on this end, one on that end, and both of them into this ground. So let's see if it works. Woo, that's loud. So it does work. Yep. It's pretty loud. It's good to go. It's yeah, I like it. Looks really good. Let me adjust it a little bit, tidy things up, put the bumper on, and show you guys what it looks like with the bumper thing in yet, but I just want to show you guys. So I did have to cut the plastic a little bit, as you can tell. This curve like this, and in here like this. So because it was bunching up with the bottom of the horn. This is not too much of a bunch. It's not actually even touching it, but you know, put it under a little bit. You want, you could cut more if you want. All depends on you. It doesn't really bother me right here, so I'm gonna leave it. But yeah, the horn still works. I'm gonna bolt everything in and then give you guys the final look. All right, peeps, put the bumper together. Everything is done. I had to cut this piece a little bit on the bottom, as you can see, so it doesn't push against the horn, and the horn will look like this. Let me put the hood down real quick. All right, so this is what it looks like with the red hell horn on the Evo X. So closer view. Yeah, hello, what is it? Hella horn. I think that's what it's called. Hella horn. Looks really nice. Keep calling it hell horn. But yeah, looks very nice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, just hope you enjoyed this video. Didn't take too long, but sun's coming down, so that's pretty much it. All right, peeps, thanks for tuning into this video. I hope you liked the install video. I hope you liked the horn. It actually make the car look a little bit better, better than factory horns. But yeah, it's not too bad to install. If I can do it, you can do it. So anyways, I'll see you next time on the vlog. Peace.